Hey guys, welcome back, and we've got two boxes on the workbench today, courtesy of Banggood.com. Thank you very much, Banggood. So just a quick chat about what we got. We have got the WPL D12. Everyone knows how popular these little trucks have proven to be. We've got the drift starter kit, so to speak, and I've gone for the white because if you take a look, it's got different wheels, so I'm interested to see whether we get those wheels or not. And I've also got in the mystery box, I'll quickly show you then what's in that. So yeah, like a rear bed cover, so see what color that is. It kind of looks like the same color as the truck in the photo, but yeah, we'll soon see. So yeah, let's take a look what we get inside the box. Inside the box you get everything you'd expect to get with your WPL D12. There's plenty of reviews out there for those guys. Yeah, your instruction manual, your charger and your trinkets and whatnot, your stickers, your wing mirrors, your remote, and obviously, yeah, the D12 itself. What a little looker. But you also get, let me move this out the way, you also get 2 batteries, which is nice. Last a bit longer, 500 milliamp, 7.4 volt. So yeah, happy days. And they included what I like to call drift pack, so to speak, you know. So the colour is a little tiny bit off, but I don't think it'll be that noticeable when it's on, to be fair. But yeah, there's the front grille. Here's a side panel, very nice. So let me get the other one out so we can take a closer look. Rear bumper, and with that you get exhausts. These are plastic, not metal. There's another side panel. You can take a look what it looks like quickly on the side there. So I'm assuming these are all screw on. I'm hoping so. And then you also get some, which you don't see in the photos. They just rock the standard front end, but you also get some wider front arches as well, which is quite nice. Oh, a bit fidgety, but I suppose they look something a bit like that. Finally, then you get some instructions on how to mount your new body kit and some hardware. And last thing inside the other box, I ordered this separately. It's the rear bed cover. And yeah, the colour might look okay on camera, but again, it's slightly off, and it might look okay when it's on. We shall soon see. So I'm going to have a read of the manual here. I'm going to try and attach all the panels, put this on, and we will take a look at how it looks when it's finished. It's really nice and flush, and it doesn't look out of part on the white one. I've seen pictures, I'll try and get them up. Somebody reviewed it on Banggood. It looks quite nice on the blue one. But yeah, you can always spray this whatever colour you want it, but yeah, that's quite easy to fit. I think the hardware looks a tad bit too big for this though. Oh, is there small screws? There we go, there is small screws. It doesn't say in this manual to use the smaller screw, so it just says install the exhaust screw to fix exhaust. But yeah, there's long ones and short ones. I'm going for the little stubby short ones for this particular section if I've got enough. It looks pretty good. Part 1 done. I think looking at this setup, I may have to lose my spare tyre. One number 2 screw and your spare tyre comes off. Okay, so that looks immediately better. So yeah, I'm gonna use 2 long screws for this job. 2 screws, one either side. I went for the long screw, and the back part 2 is installed. Stage 3, fix the side plates with screws on both sides. I'm going to go for the long screws, as looking at the fixings, this has got quite a way to go through the actual part. Looking at the side panels, it seems that you have to put them through the back as well. As you can see there, we've got a tab at the back, down by my thumb, trying to get in the middle, and one at the front, and then a clip where the battery usually goes. So yeah, I'm gonna have to undo the rear and yeah, screw this on. Put a screw up here now. I've put the side panel on. It all clips in really nice. The bumper goes first, then the side panel goes on top, but it clicks in, and then I'm going to be using long screws to secure the front and back. There's part 3 done, guys, and I'm quite impressed. Now I've got it on the truck, the colour matches quite nicely. You know, no messing around to paint it, so I'm assuming that if you get the different colours, I notice there's like yellow, blue, that the colour will match the truck, which is it's a really nice little touch. You know the instructions. Put the bumper in place. I don't know if you can see up there, the same screw that holds the side panel on goes through the bumper, so yeah, don't screw down the bumper as instructed. 2 long screws, one there and one there, and then for the back I used a generic number 2 just there under the headlight. Used a generic number 2 WPL screw. One of these. On to step 4, remove original black parts. There we go, let's give it a tug. Remove original black parts. Stage 5, secure front plate. Secure front plate with screws. Overall, guys, I'm really happy. The parts are nicely molded and the colour matches really well. This add-on part doesn't look too off either, even though it's white. I thought it would have been a little bit, you know, an off-white to match this, but yeah, that could be painted, and it all went together nice. And yeah, the overall just finish looks amazing. I am very happy, and I haven't even put the WPL trimmings on there yet. That's just what it looks like with the body kit added. But yeah, just a quick one from me today, guys, showing you what you get in the box. Just probably a quick little run through on how to install it, and most importantly, what it looks like. And I am, really impressed. Really impressed. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.